Lord Okosowa, the project lead, and also the presentation and orientation. Our project was a transport fare calculator. The system provides the following features. One is passenger information input, route details recording, transport type selection, passenger category identification, automatic fare calculation, student, child, or senior citizen discount, luggage charge calculation, input validation, and fare receipt generation. Technologies use C++ language. We use the Visual Studio Code to code or to develop our project or develop our code for the system. And the program structure is one. You have first have to set the trip details into collect the passenger and the trip information. Two is what the validate the details to check the numerical values if the numerical values are valid, and also to calculate the base fare, calculate the initial fare, and also to apply discounts. Three, to calculate the luggage, it determines the extra luggage cost depending on the weight of the luggage. Depending on the weight of the luggage. Fare calculation formula, the base fare time, the base fare is equal to distance times or the fare rate, and the final fare is called discounted fare plus the luggage charge. Yeah, so right now, and this is our project. Right now, we'll go to C++ and try to test out the code or to debug it and see whether our system actually works. In C++, we're going to our main.cpp. We have the code in here, and here it says enter passenger details. I'm going to enter the passenger details. Let's say Lord Okosowa. No, start to run the program again. This passenger name, so I'm going to type Lord Okosowa. So let's say passenger name is Lord Okosowa. We press enter out to the route name. So let's say from Takoradi to Accra. Let's enter. Asking the transport type, either being a bus, trotro, or taxi. Let's type in bus here. Enter. Personal category, whether you're a student, child, senior citizen, or an adult. So I'm going to type in what a student. Let's enter the distance. So let's use 100 kilometers in here. Press enter. Asking you the fare rate per kilometer, invalid rates, fare rate per kilometer. So let's say for kilometers was 2 cedis. So we type 2. The luggage weight. So let's use 7 kg. Enter. The base fare for the Accra to Takoradi, according to our calculation or transport fare calculator, is 200 cedis. The discount given was 20 cedis because he was a student, and the luggage charge is 0.00 because it was below the requirement for the luggage charge. So the final fare was 180 Ghana cedis.
My name is Nana Kwamtichi, and I'll be presenting my pseudocode for the transport fare calculation system. This system is designed to calculate the total fare a passenger has to pay. First, it collects important information such as the passenger's name, routes, transport type, passenger's category, distance traveled, fare rates, luggage weight, and the system then checks whether the distance, fare rates, and luggage weight are valid. If any value is negative, it displays an error message and stops the program. Next, it calculates the base fare by multiplying the distance by the fare rate, discounts, and apply to students. The discounts are applied to students, children, and senior citizens. If the passenger has access to luggage, an extra luggage charge is added. Finally, the system calculates the final fare and displays the passenger's details together. The
goal is to define the problem and objectives for our transport fare calculator. The problem is that transport fares are calculated often manually, which causes errors in discounts, luggages, charges, and distance. So our aim is to build a C++ application that automates free calculation, and our objectives are to collect passenger and trip data, calculate fare base, and apply discounts for students, children, and seniors.